All right, so I want to make a drawstring to go with my new jogging pants. Let's just call it what it is. It's loungewear. But this is the piece, and I want to show you my trick for making what I call a tube turn on a serger without having to use any of those like fancy tools, because I don't have them, and I'm not going to get one because we can do a tube turn, and it's so easy. So let me show you how to do it. The first thing you need is a tail longer than your strip. So this is going to be a pretty long tail. Once you have your tail, you're going to take one end of your strip, you're going to fold it right sides together. You're going to run this tail through the center. You do not want to stitch over this. It needs to stay in the fold. And you sew along this edge. Okay, so here's my tube where I sewed it. And I've got my tail that was running through it. And I'm just going to pull on that tail to turn it right side out.